What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell from the title, I'm gonna be showing you guys my trade that I took on Thursday on this on the futures NAS100. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into it, you guys. So right here we're on the 4-hour time frame. If we look to the left, we're obviously in an uptrend with a little bit of a retracement. So I saw right here we respected all these 4-hour demands right here. So ultimately I just knew that we were bullish. And then let me see, I think there was one right here that I saw. Yeah, so right here we have a 4-hour demand. And this is a fresh zone, by the way. This one was already touched right here. This one was already touched right here. So I was looking for fresh zones. And then at the same time, we do have one right here as well. So I was looking at these two zones to potentially take price back up, even looking for possible liquidity right here. I knew this was pretty far down though. Whoops. What the heck? I must have changed this. Okay. There we go. So we have liquidity right here. So potentially we could see price just come back down, take out this low right here, and then respect this 4-hour demand to potentially continue up. I had to check on the baby. So yeah, and then right here I went down to a lower time frame, and we do see it's very hard to see, but we do have a 1-hour demand right here. I always go to the 4-hour and the 1-hour for supply and demand zones, especially before market open. We saw a nice push up here. We saw a break of structure right here. A break of structure, which is a very strong break of structure on the 1-hour and obviously on the 4-hour as well. So yeah, we saw a beautiful rejection right here on the 1-hour. And it's also respecting this 4-hour. So then at this point, I went down to I actually went down to the 1 minute. And then right here, since we were respecting this 1-hour zone, I saw right here, we had a demand zone. So, I was waiting for also a more like break of structure too. So we'll see if we get it right here. Break of structure. So we're waiting for this zone to be broken right here. And let's see what we got. Oh yeah, we're also not in market open yet. So are we? Oh shit, yeah we are. Hold up. Why is my session-based indicator not on? Okay, so now that we have this back on, at this pink line is the New York Stock Exchange open. So we're just gonna wait for pretty much that to, get hit. We're still in the 1 minute. Okay, boom, beautiful. This is on the 1 minute still, you guys. We had liquidity taken right here. Right here, we had liquidity. I'll go like this. I'll make it red. There you go. So now that we know the market open, I'm going to delete that. And we'll just kind of see what price does. So, as you see, we are coming down a little bit. So I was waiting for like a very clear, there's not really any strong bullish or bearish candles. I mean, I guess this one, but there's a big wick right here and a decent sized wick right here. And obviously this big market open wick right here was telling me, okay, we are definitely about to go up. And then right here we saw a nice deviation right here. And then, so yeah, like I said, we're still waiting for this break of structure. Let's see if we get it right here. Boom. There's that break of structure I was waiting for. So at this point, we kind of have like even an inverted head, left shoulder, head. We'll see if we can get another shoulder right here and then continue up, right? Which is obviously what played out. So we can delete this zone right here. We have another zone. I'll kind of like mark them up. We have a 1 minute zone right here, fresh zone. So at this point, this is where I was taking my entry. Once I saw price come back here, I was about to get into the trade. Not yet. There it is. That's where it hit it. Okay. So then, I believe, yeah, there you go. And then, boom. So yeah, I took 2 positions on this one because I have 2 different accounts. So this was my first position. And then on my, this one's on my 100K challenge. And right here is where I got my entry. Here, we're gonna fast play this. So I believe right here is actually, we hit TP1. Yep, we hit TP1. So I just moved my stops. I didn't move it to break even. I moved it to literally underneath this low right here. Just so that way, like, I don't like taking it out or moving my stops to break even. Because most of the time, I've realized price likes to come back down, retest people's entry because they know people put their stops at break even to continue up. So right here, you know, we would have been up 1%. And then as you see, we would have got taken out at break even. But I didn't. And then I saw price just kind of play around right here. I saw right here as well. I was looking at this zone and it respected this zone as well. Boom. So then right here is where I took my second entry and it was beautiful. And at this point I just kept marking up zones right here just so I can do my risk management right here. If like say price were to break down even below right here, I would have gotten out of both trades. Obviously I would have got stopped out right here, but this one I would have taken it out as well. So really I would have risked like nothing, right? So yeah, at this point, you know, I got both my entries right here. I think price does come back down and then respects it again. So, you know, I keep seeing these demand zones being respected, at least on the 1 minute. So I knew price was, you know, gonna be bullish today. At this point, I did go to the 1 hour and I just saw price just beautifully respecting this 1 hour demand right here. Nice bullish engulfing candle right here. So I was very confident in this trade. At this point, you saw price just get obliterated. So yeah, that was, I wish I held because look at this nasty bullish candle. Hold up. As you see, we have a guest appearance here today. So yeah, you know, like this trade was beautiful, you guys. Textbook, you know, you can't be scared to take these kind of trades. Otherwise, you know, you'll just miss so many opportunities. I can even go back down to the 5 minute, and as you see, I was marking up zones on the 5 minute just to manage my trade, right? Right here, I think was a 15-minute zone. Let me see. Nope, that was a 5 minute. Okay. So this was a supply zone that I was watching just to make sure if price was going to come down and just like continue down and then, you know, come back down here, respect that one, continue up. I was just watching supply and demand zones like crazy just being printed. Hold on, I want to make sure it's not wet. Okay, here. There we go. So yeah, I was just like watching supply and demand zones being printed. Oh, right here, I did put 1 to 3. There we go. So yeah, guys, that was my Thursday's trade. I didn't trade on Friday just because little man was up all night Thursday night, so I decided to sleep in and stay with him. So as you see, he's teething, so it's been a rough time right now. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna close out this video right now. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna close out this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this content, drop a thumbs up, please. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Next week I'm gonna start doing like daily vlogs, and I'm gonna try to post them that night or even like the next morning. Like, I'm on my grind now, so you guys put your post notifications on for the channel, and I love you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.